The worst thing about a garden hose is when it gets a kink. I'm Gina with WTI, and that's my biggest pet peeve. Once you get that kink, it is impossible to get rid of it, unless you have this hose that I got from Beitopamz. So I hand water my garden every single day during the summer, and this hose has been perfect. Even though there were times it seemed like it was going to kink, it immediately unfolded itself and it doesn't remember that spot. This is so nice, especially because this hose is 150 feet. So I don't have to worry about running back and fixing a kink that's cutting off my water supply because it just doesn't happen. This is also 30% lighter than a traditional rubber hose, but so much stronger. I have it attached to our spigot outside. It's a standard size 3/4 inch, and this has solid brass fittings. So that means it'll withstand any type of temperature changes that we get. I'm impressed with how durable it is. This is the type of hose that is going to last me for a really long time. I think you'll love it too, and that's my point of view.